Hey everyone, this is Cheryl. I'm with Simply Gilded, and I wanted to do an unboxing of Home Sweet Home. It's this month's box, and it's adorable. It's everything you think of when you think of your home, and it's perfect for this time of year. This is the box, and it's got light gold foiling on the front. It says Home Sweet Home with this really sweet plaid and blues and purples and pinks and like a buttercream color. And when you flip it, it's got this really cute Victorian home, and of course the Simply Gilded bunny. And it says there's no place like home, and that is so true. I took everything out of the box already to make it easier. And one of the things that you're going to see first is the note card. And it says life is sweet, and it's got baking items. And again, it's got the light gold foil. And then there's a menu card, which lists everything that comes in your box. And if you're missing anything, then I can email simplygildedbox@gmail.com, and they will help you out. This pen is absolutely stunning this month. It is a very light cream color, and if you look at it in the light, you can see that it has sort of an iridescent shimmer to it with, again, light gold foil embossing. And it has light gold hardware with the Simply Gilded embossed on it. And again, the bow on the top. And it is a black gel ink pen. I have not taken off the glue on the top, which protects the ink from coming out. It's a postable cap, so when you pull it off, it will post on the back so that when you write, you don't lose the cap. I love this sweet bear face magnet. It looks just like Jasper with the pink cheeks. Basically, this whole box is centered around Jasper. You also will get a mini album with this printed plaid on it with the, again, with the pink and the purple and the blue. And it's not really cream. This is more of a very pale pink. And when you open it, it has the very pale pink interior with the scallop where you can put some extra items in the side. And then it has about 20 pages inside. And when you put them in items back to back, you could get about 40 items in. And you can put pictures in here, or you can put the small sticker sheets. And then it has the gold heart snap. And then a little loop at the bottom where you could put a bow charm or anything that you want to attach there. You will also get a B6 insert, and this one has the light brown lined so that you can take notes with you on the go. It will fit in any B6 traveler's notebook style, several of which that we have sent out in the past, or we might even still have online in the sub-box extras. One of the extra special items you get this time is a weekly notepad. And this is meant to go on your desk, so you can write out the week, all your notes. You can use it as a menu planner, and you'll see that it's light gold foiled. And as you're done with each page, you can tear it out. And I know that people have asked if you can use it in a pad folio, and I believe you can put it in this way. And I am looking right now around to see if I have one handy, which I should. This is the large album, and it's a little too tall for it. Here is a printed pad folio, and this will actually tuck in the corner pocket really nicely, so you can take it with you on the go. The stickers made it in time for me to get them to do the unboxing, And this is the new format. So you get 4 large sheets, and they are so sweet. Again, the light gold foil. And on this front page, you get the 9 large boxes, 2 inches. So it's 1.5 by 2 inches. And then at the bottom, you have some headers. And then on this page, you now have 4 full weeks. And if that month has 5 weeks, you will see a surprise in the washi. And then it has other headers, which meeting, appointment, important. Again, with the really pretty floral, the plaid, the falling stars, like the stardust, gratitude, which is perfect for the month of November, December. To do the next page, you have half boxes and quarter boxes, work, family, just so many different options. And then you have page flags, and I love these. I love to layer them so that I'll put, sometimes like with these little hearts, I'll put them on the different, the different quarter boxes or half boxes. It just adds that extra dimension. And then look at these pretty little bows, and they're in 3 colors. And again, light gold foil. You will also get the date dots that you can put on your monthly calendar, or you can put on each week. I guess you want to see this one. So you can put the date dot right on the week. And you still get your foil bow seals with the coordinating patterns. And now let me show you the washi. So we have this beautiful plaid with light gold foil. We have the adorable Jasper bear face. I think he's gonna be called Cute Bear. You have baking items, and this beautiful floral with a simple line. Everything has light gold foil. My hands aren't very big. Okay, so this you can use for your additional weeks, or you can mix and match, and it will go with any other. There are a lot of kits. One thing Irene is really, really good at is staying with a lot of similar color schemes so that you can use this for other months. Anything that has light gold foil, or if you like to mix your foils. Some people do, some people don't. And then these are both perforated at 1.5 inches. So this is just a header with a white print bow. And then if you do the add-on, so your subscription box does not come with the add-on unless you add it. This is the add-on. So you have the matching plaid and horizontal bow. You have the buttercream and the light gold foil and the color block. This is one of my favorites because you can go this direction too. You have the sparkle stars in a kind of a sage color. And then you have the hearts. Also, this is sort of I think Irene's going to go with something that's going to be a spice color to go with the baking theme, maybe nutmeg. Now, if you do the washi subscription only, you will get all the washi plus the add-on. And it will come with the journal card in this sweet little bag. I think actually when you do the subscription box, you also get it in the bag with the journal card. I think that's the way it ships. If you do the stickers only, it will come in this really cute sticker folder to protect it, and all the stickers will be inside. And I believe everyone gets the journal card. Now, I'm not going to show you the mystery item. As an employee of Simply Gilded, I don't want to, you know, I really can't show you the mystery item because we want it to stay a mystery, but I will tell you it goes perfectly with this theme, and you will love it. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you have any questions, you can tag me in the group, the Facebook group, Simply Gilded, or you can leave a question on underneath the video. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.